In this video, I'm going to show you how to select all clips in CapCut quickly and easily, whether you want to select everything in the timeline or just everything from a specific point onward. This is one of those simple editing tricks that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working on longer projects with lots of clips, audio, and text layers. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline window. The most important thing here is to make sure the timeline is active. To do that, just click anywhere inside the timeline area. This tells CapCut that your next shortcut should apply to the clips in your project. Now, if you want to select everything in the timeline at once, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl A on Windows or Command A on Mac. As soon as you press that, CapCut will select all the clips, audio tracks, and text layers in your timeline. You'll notice they turn white, which is the visual sign that everything is selected. This is really useful if you want to move a full section, delete multiple items at once, copy your entire edit, or make changes to everything in one go. Instead of clicking each clip one by one, this shortcut lets you work much faster. Now, let's look at another useful method. If you don't want to select the entire timeline, but instead want to select everything to the right or left of a certain point, CapCut gives you a shortcut for that too. This is great when you want to trim, shift, or delete all clips after a specific moment in your edit. To do this, click at the point in the timeline where you want to start your selection. Then use select forward with the right square bracket or select backward with the left square bracket. CapCut will automatically select everything to the right or left of that point depending on which direction you choose. So if you're cleaning up the end of a project, making room for new clips, or removing everything after a certain section, this shortcut is extremely helpful. It gives you much more control than selecting the whole timeline because you can target only the part you actually want. Just remember, if you want the full selection, click inside the timeline first and press Ctrl A or Command A. If you want to select from a specific point, use the forward or backward selection shortcut after placing your playhead where you want it. Once you get used to these shortcuts, editing in CapCut becomes much smoother and faster. Small workflow tricks like this can really add up and save you a lot of time over the course of a project. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing shortcuts, and quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.